Hello people, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is Sakshi and I welcome you all wholeheartedly to this new series. So the special thing about this series is that I will be describing the complete chapters in two different parts and each part will be divided into 10 different points. मीन्स आप इस सीरीज़ के थ्रू अगर आपने हर चैप्टर के ये 20 पॉइंट्स को कंसीडर किया then you will be able to answer all the questions that will be asked from this chapter in your examination. So starting with the chapter that is in today's target. So for those who are watching this video for the first time, अगर आप ये वीडियो को पहली बार देख रहे हैं, so we have already a crash course going on our channel for your preparations only. So you can watch this, so you can visit our channel, you can click on these playlists and after opening these playlists will provide you the daily targets on your preparation basis, so you can complete these targets according to the day you are starting your preparation and complete your full syllabus in a very less time. So now starting with the chapter of today's target, which is the plant growth and development. So we will be considering 10 points in this part and the other 10 points will be released in the second part of this video. So now the explanation will be both in Hindi and English language for your convenience. इस चैप्टर के स्टार्टिंग के फर्स्ट पेज में आप लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा थ्योरी और कुछ जनरल पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं. सो द समरी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पेज इज़ दैट ऑल दीज प्लांट्स, मतलब कि सारे प्लांट्स जो हैं डिफरेंट टिश्यूज से फॉर्म हुए होते हैं. बट द क्वेश्चन अराइजेज दैट हाउ दे आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. सारे प्लांट्स में ऐसा क्या होता है जो हर एक प्लांट का टाइम या हर एक प्लांट की पूरी साइकिल या ग्रोथ डिफरेंट टाइम्स में होती है. Point number 1. The development or the plant development is the sum of two different processes. These processes are growth and differentiation. Plant की development process दो different processes के combination को बोला जाता है and these combinations are firstly the growth and secondly the differentiation. Point number 2. For growing and for development of any plants, we need some different factors and conditions for their growth. So in this chapter, we will be studying the factors and the conditions for the plant growth and development. Point number 3. Growth is an irreversible permanent change either in cell size increase or in the individual cell. Plant की growth एक permanent irreversible change है, which means कि ये वापस से change नहीं किया जाता है. So the growth is the release of the energy by the form of metabolic processes and these processes are anabolic as well as catabolic too. So after this, let's consider the example of this section, which is the leaf expansion. Means the increase in the size of leaf is the example of growth. इसमें उस पूरी leaf का expansion भी हो रहा है plus the individual cell of that particular leaf has grown too. Point number 5. Plants have a unique characteristic to grow and divide repeatedly and unlimitedly. Yes, plants के पास एक special characteristic होता है and that characteristic is because of the presence of meristem. Meristem की वजह से plant have the capacity to divide and to grow unlimitedly. But the product loses its capacity and all these plants are made up of or are formed of from these products. So point number 5 is that अगर meristem continue करते हैं अपनी cells को adopt करना and that plant is growing unlimitedly, that process or the process in which the plant is growing unlimitedly is known as the open growth. पॉइंट नंबर 6. रूट एंड शूट एपिकल मेरिस्टेम की वजह से प्लांट की प्राइमरी ग्रोथ होती है एंड इन द डाइकॉट्स एंड जिम्नोस्पर्म, जैसा कि हम देखते आए हैं, वस्कुलर कैम्बियम प्लस कॉर कैम्बियम जो है लेटर फेज में अपीयर होता है, विच मीन्स द प्राइमरी ग्रोथ इज नोन एज द एलोंगेशन अलोंग द एक्सिस एज वेल एज the lateral growth is the lateral growth is considered when the vascular cambium or the core cambium appears. Point number 7. Cellular growth. Increase in protoplasm in the plant is known as cellular growth. प्लांट के प्रोटोप्लाज्म के इंक्रीज होने को हम लोग सेल्यूलर ग्रोथ बोलेंगे, बट दिस इज़ नॉट डायरेक्टली मेजर्ड. इसके मेजरमेंट में ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम आती है, इसलिए हम इसे थोड़े डिफरेंट टाइप से मेजर करते हैं. द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द मेजरमेंट आर वी कैन मेजर इट बाय फ्रेश वेट, बाय द ड्राई वेट, the length, area and volume or the number of cells. Point number 8. It is a facts based point and this is a single seed of maize can produce 17,500 new cells per hour. As respect to point number 9, which is a watermelon seed can produce 3,50,000 new cells per hour. Point number 10 is the growth is considered differently for different things. Means the former growth is considered as increase in cell number, the lateral growth is considered as increase in cell size, and in terms of a dorsiventral leaf, it is the increase in surface area. So these are the 10 points of the part 1 of this chapter, and if you want to know the further 10 points, you can watch the next video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and while doing so, you can like this video too, share it with your friends. This is Sakshi, that's all for today, and I will catch you in the next video.